Here's how to cook these banging sticky Hoisin chicken wings in your air fryer. I promise they're just as crispy as deep fried. The full recipe is over on my website, which is linked below. Firstly, we're going to marinate the chicken wings in Shaoxing wine and soy for 20 minutes. Stir the Chinese 5-spice and pepper through the corn flour, add the wings, then toss well to make sure they're completely coated. Place onto the crisp plate within your air fryer and cook at 200 degrees for 16 minutes, shaking halfway through. Now these are banging as they are, but we're going to make a sweet and sticky glaze to go with this. So fry some garlic and ginger for a few minutes, then combine the sweet chili sauce, rice vinegar, soy, hoisin, along with a dash of optional seasoning, then mix well until the sauce comes together and reduces. You want it to be really nice and sticky. Toss the wings into the glaze until they're fully coated. Do this just before serving so the wings stay really nice and crisp. Finally, finish with some mayo, fresh chives and chilli for a nice kick. What would you like to see me cook next in the Fakeaway series? Don't forget, there's loads of recipes over on my brand new website. The link is in my bio. Make sure to give me a like and a follow. Absolutely banging.